Hello guys, welcome to my crypto expert zone. Today's video we are going to discuss about a testnet known as Sparkchain AI. It's a new testnet that is ongoing. I know that majority of us know about it. That's why I have to bring it to you guys today. As you can see, this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Um, I will drop the link on below this video. Maybe you can get it from a description side or the comment section. That's where you are going to get the link if in case you have never get registered. This is my dashboard. Quickly now, let us check how this thing works. Now, as you can see, I added it has an extension. You must add the extension to your Chrome. For those that is making use of a PC device, make sure that you added it to your Chrome. Simply now click here to know whether if I have added mine. Look at it here. This is the extension. I click it. Now you see it now is you see what I've already accumulated so far since I connected it. Look at it, 180. Now if you know whether is it going or not going, click here. If you touch it here, you say disconnect or cancel. I want to cancel it. I don't want to disconnect, let it be going. That's how it works. Now let me quickly show you how you can do and get a referral link. Here, click here. This way you can copy a referral link and share to your friend. In this case now, you can see that I have never referred anybody yet. Here say that if you invite friends directly and earn 20% of their uptime point forever. Imagine you try to refer friends, you will be accumulating more points on this drop. And secondary referrals, when you are referring invite others, you get 10% of the new users uptimes and points. Definitely, that's how it works. Please let me quickly go to their Twitter handle so that you can get more information concerning it. And maybe when you go to um telegram Twitter handle, you might be seeing different similar official handle. You will not know the one that we are talking about. Click here. This is the Sparkchain AI is verified. They have made 555 posts on their channel. Now, if you have never followed them, you try to follow them so you can be getting more information concerning them. I've already followed, as you can see. Now, here, this is what they posted of recent. This one is January 22nd. This one is May. You can go here and get the information concerning them and know when the TGE is close. It's known as a deepin project. Have it in mind. It's known as a deepin project. Known as a deepin project. As I said, there is the official handle. Please follow them and turn your notification. And whenever you look around, you don't know the information concerning them, you can come to their Twitter handle and know what you can do next. Now let us go back to my dashboard. As I told you guys, look at what I have on. I connected. If you check it, this is May, and the last 6 minutes, look at what I've in. Depend, and this thing is required for proper international connection. If you have low data, your data is not active, you will not be able to accumulate point on it. It works with uh, a proper internet connection. Please have it in mind. Have it in mind. Um, that is it. I don't know. Is it another? Okay, here is to refer and end, which I've explained already. You can copy a referral link. Here you can do some tasks that involve. They say you should do tasks. The tasks we can do, you can do some tasks in there. Let me do one. I have much. Let me do one and show you how it work. This one is let me should log in. Might not log in before. Okay. Alright. Um, is it my trying to log in, but it's not working. Please, you can do it on your this thing and do all these tasks and accumulate more points. Join them on Telegrams and add the Sparkchain AI to your name on Telegrams. You accumulate more points. Look at us. Can get more. Look, this one I have verified my email. Let me claim it. Let me claim. I have verified my email. I have to claim it, but it's not working out here, which I have to go back and check to know what is holding it. Now here it says you should invite 10 people and claim 5,000 points. That's how it works. Please, if you find this video helpful, try and give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share to your family and friends. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please, as I told you, I'm going to drop the link on my description on this video so you can get registered. Thank you for watching. Bye.